Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 11.2, fifth problem. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circles. So first we have to construct the line segment AB. The length is 8 centimeter. The length is 8 centimeter. The length is 8 centimeter. Mark this as A and B 8 centimeter. Okay. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Take 4 centimeter in compass and then draw a circle. Draw a circle. Of radius 4 centimeter, and then from B, taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. So take 3 centimeter in the compass, and from B have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Clear? So first we have to draw a line segment AB, and taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. So from A you have to construct the tangent to this circle, and from B you have to construct a tangent to this circle. Okay, this is the exterior point for this circle. A is the exterior point for the circle of radius 3 centimeter, and B is the exterior point here. B is the exterior point of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So this is the point, the center of this circle and center of this circle. Draw a perpendicular bisector. That we have to draw a new circle, no? For that we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Take more than half above the line 1 arc and below the line 1 arc from B, and here from A above the line 1 arc and below the line 1 arc, and then join. This is a midpoint. Mark this as M. So M is the midpoint of AB. Now construct a new circle. Draw a new circle. Measure AM. Draw a circle. Draw a circle, new circle, and mark the meeting point. Mark the meeting point here. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. Now join BP. This is the exterior point for this circle, and this is a point of contact. Okay, now join BP and BQ. This is the tangent. BP and BQ are the tangent. Okay, now join AS and AR. AR. AR and AS. First draw the line segment AB 8 cm and taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Okay, so construct the tangent of each circle from the center of the other circle. So consider this circle, and this is the exterior point, and PB and PQ is a tangent. Okay, so consider this circle, and A be the exterior point, and PR and PS be a tangent. Okay, and then join AQ and AP. It will make 90 degree. And then BS BR make 90 degree. Okay, so how to justify our answer? When concerned about that ARB is the angle in the semicircle, so the angle of R will be 90 degree, and since BR is a radius, we can tell that AR will be the tangent, has to be the tangent. For this circle concern, APB, this is the angle in the semicircle APB, and AP is the radius, therefore BP will be the tangent. Similarly, we can tell that BQ will be the tangent and AS will be the tangent. Now see the justification. Join BP and BQ. Join BP and BQ. Angle BR BPA. BP and BQ BPA. Angle BPA is equal to 90 degree. Why it is? Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, BP perpendicular to PA. But we know that AP is a radius. AP is the radius of the circle with center A. Therefore, it implies BP is a tangent to the circle with center A. Clear? So now the another side, join AR here, AR and AS. For angle ARB is equal to 90 degree. ARB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, BR perpendicular to RA. AR perpendicular to BR. We know that, but BR is the radius of the circle with center A, with center B. It implies AR is a tangent to the circle with center B. Clear, all of you? This is our justification. Thank you.